Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is just a little dupe hack. I don't know what you want to call it. I would say dupe. All right, so Cinnamon Toast Crunch is notoriously one of my favorite cereals when I was able to eat that stuff. And having to go without it for as long as I have has honestly been monumental, because if you know me beforehand, Cinnamon Toast Crunch was my absolute favorite cereal. Lo and behold, I found the perfect dupe. And I almost don't want to tell you guys because I'm afraid it'll sell out. But, and I'm not making anything off of this, I'm just telling you, it's the perfect dupe. Ready? Optavia Cinnamon Sugar Sticks. I don't know if you could see it because of the lighting. Here you go. Guys, no joke, this is Cinnamon Toast Crunch in a bag. And on Optavia, you can add a cup of almond milk to this. I would pour it right in here and eat it like cereal. Not even exaggerating. It is Cinnamon Toast Crunch Optavia. I don't know. But if you have this at home and you haven't tried it yet, try it. If you haven't purchased it yet, I'm telling you, if you like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, you close your eyes, it is literally the same taste. So for all of you out there that love cereal and can't really have those notorious flavors that we're used to, bingo. And I could tell you another thing, this would be awesome, amazing, if you saved a few of these at night, if you make yourself the Optavia chocolate pudding or some kind of dessert and sprinkle some of this on top, it literally will taste like Cinnamon Toast Crunch on top. I can't wait for you guys to try this. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried it, if you love it, if you agree with me on this, because some people won't agree, but I'm telling you, if your taste buds are like mine, this is a Cinnamon Toast Crunch dupe of all dupes. You're welcome.